Ever face this issue? You're hit with a no space left on device error, but when you check df isn't maxed out, yet you cannot create new files and your system stalls. Let me show you how you can fix this in less than a minute. Here's the deal. df gives you your usage data, but it doesn't tell the full story. It misses something important: inodes. Inodes manage files, and there is a cap on how many can be created. To check it, run df-i. If it says 100% nodes used up, you're hit the limit. It doesn't really matter how much space left, no new files can be created. This usually means your system has a lot of small files. To fix this, you need to delete some of them. It's a very common thing that happens when running Docker containers, so just clean up those Docker files by running this command, or maybe try cleaning those log files, and you should be good to go. Like if that helped.